And welcome to the new episode of Friday Fix. I am Meet Pandya from ISBJ Fact Checking Lab. There has been a new coronavirus variant out there. You must have heard. The World Health Organization has named it Omicron. While adding to this, it is not sure that it is more transmissible or severe in compared to Delta version or any other previous version of the coronavirus. But South Africa is the first one target of this variant.
Yes,
What are your thoughts about it? And do you think it is more deadly, or the rumors coming on the social media are fake or might be real?
it is deadly. Deadly because we have been very lenient about it. As the second wave have hit India, the same pattern, the same thing. People have been very lenient about themselves.
When I get hear about it through like various news channels and social media posts, it's a new variant. It's been spread.
So there has been several types of rumors on the social media. Some might be real, some might be fake. Do you believe that? Do you believe in this kind of news which you get from social media?
No, definitely not. I cross check and I check from authorized sources whether it's fake or true.
सो हाल ही में कोरोना वायरस का नया वेरिएंट आया है, आपको पता ही होगा. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि इंडिया में ये आ सकता है, जल्दी आ सकता है? अभी तो साउथ अफ्रीका में काफ़ी ज़्यादा फैल रहा है और बाकी कंट्रीज में भी फैल रहा है, आ रहा है. डू यू थिंक कि इंडिया में आ सकता है?
आई फील कि इंडिया में बहुत जल्दी आ सकता है बिकॉज इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट्स रिसेंटली आई गेस 1 वीक हुआ है, ओपन हुआ है एंड पीपल आर ट्रैवलिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज दे हैव बीन वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड एग्जॉस्टेड ड्यू टू दे आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू travel due to COVID and many other viruses. So I think India में बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है. I guess within a span of like 4-6 months के अंदर I don't know but still.
Okay. So do you think this virus is as deadly, which is we can see on social media and all, some news are coming that it is very highly infectious or deadly. So do you think it is true?
We can't predict it right now because we don't have any full proven fact check details about it.
So do you know anything about this new coronavirus variant which has just come up in South Africa?
I just know that it's a new variant and probably a bit dangerous. That's all I know.
Okay, so WHO has named it as Omicron, and according to so-called news and rumors which has just gone social media, they are just saying that this is highly deadly and infectious. Do you think it is that much deadly or infectious?
Probably.
Okay, so I would just suggest you that do not believe on this fake news which comes on social media. Always believe in authorized news which comes from WHO or else your government. So there has been lots of rumors on social media that this is very highly infectious or deadly. Do you think it is that much deadly or infectious?
Yeah, recently I was reading the symptoms about this Omicron where you have these throat, like itches I think, and then you have this mild fever. Not very sure about it, but it's something that we'll again not know. So we're waiting for something like RT-PCR which will help us know about this variant.
So according to our fact checks, it's just researchers has not that much come to an extent that they know everything about Omicron or this new variant. So we just want you to not believe on this social media fake rumors and always believe in the authorized sources like World Health Organization for your government. However, many social media posts have gone viral claiming that this particular variant is highly infectious and deadly. The viral post possessed to be a message from a doctor's group from Republic of South Africa. These two pictures are taking rounds on Facebook. This viral post claimed that the variant has more energy and tactics. It doesn't make you cough, no fever, but just joint pain, weakness, loss of appetite, and COVID pneumonia. The viral post also claims that the death rate is higher. There are even rumors that the Omicron can damage the lungs in 15 minutes. But experts have said that none of this is true. According to them, the new variant is completely detectable. World Health Organization has said that it is not clear that the new variant is more transmissible as compared to the other old variants. On the severity of the variant, WHO has said that there is currently no information to suggest that symptoms of Omicron are different from other variants. On the severity of the variant, WHO has said that there is currently no information to suggest that symptoms of Omicron are different from those other variants. It's too soon to believe in rumors. Researchers are still trying to find out about Omicron.
Let's just not believe in any fake news or rumors which comes in our way. Omicron can be a deadly virus or just nothing. Let's just believe in authorized sources like World Health Organization or Government of India.